Sahih al-Bukhari 3133, narrated Zahdam Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha. Once we were in the house of Abu Musa Radiyallahu Ta'ala anha, who presented a meal containing cooked chicken. A man from the tribe of Bani Taim, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, with red complexion, as if he were from the Byzantine war prisoners, was present. Abu Musa radiallahu ta'ala anha invited him to share the meal, but he apologized, saying, I saw chickens eating dirty things, and so I have had a strong aversion to eating them, and have taken an oath that I will not eat chickens. Abu Musa radiallahu ta'ala anha said, come along, I will tell you about this matter, i.e. how to cancel one's oath. I went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the company of a group of Al-Asharian, asked him to provide us with means of convenience. He said, by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I will not provide you with any means of convenience, and I have nothing to make you ride on. Then some camels as booty were brought to Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he asked for us, saying, where are the group of Al-Asharian? Then he ordered that we should be given 5 camels with white humps. When we set out, we said, what have we done? We will never be blessed with what we have been given. So we returned to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, we asked you to provide us with means of convenience, but you took an oath that you would not provide us with any means of convenience. Did you forget your oath when you gave us the camels? He replied, I have not provided you with means of convenience, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has provided you with it, and by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala willing, if ever I take an oath to do something and later on I find that it is more beneficial to do something different, I will do that things which is better and give an expression for my oath. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.